Golf. A game of precision, a game of strategy, a game of endless frustration. Until now, the world of golf is on the verge of a revolution. Artificial intelligence is teeing up, ready to transform how we understand and play this beloved game. Imagine a world where your every swing is analyzed, every slight error corrected, every shot optimized for maximum distance and accuracy. This is the promise of the Golf AI Launch Monitor. This isn't just another gadget, it's a personal coach, a data scientist, and a swing guru all rolled into one sleek device. The Golf AI Launch Monitor leverages cutting-edge technology to unlock the secrets hidden within your swing. It's time to stop guessing and start knowing. It's time to unleash your true golfing potential. The Golf AI Launch Monitor is deceptively simple in appearance. A compact, elegant device that belies the powerful technology within. But don't let its size fool you. This little machine is packed with sensors and processors capable of capturing an astonishing amount of data with every swing. Point the device towards your target, step up to the tee, and swing away. The monitor springs to life, capturing every nuance of your swing in intricate detail. Launch angle, ball speed, club head speed, spin rate, swing path. This data isn't just collected, it's analyzed in real time, providing instant feedback on your swing. No more waiting for a pro to break down your form. The Golf AI Launch Monitor puts the power in your hands. But the Golf AI Launch Monitor is more than just a data collector, it's a teacher. Using artificial intelligence, it analyzes your swing data, identifying areas for improvement. It then crafts a personalized training program, designed to iron out those kinks and unleash your inner pro. The device doesn't just tell you what you're doing wrong, it shows you. 3D visualizations of your swing, paired with detailed explanations, make it easier than ever to understand and correct your mistakes. And the more you use it, the smarter it gets. The AI learns your swing tendencies, tailoring its feedback and training program to your unique needs. The Golf AI Launch Monitor isn't just a game changer for individual players, it's ushering in a new era for the sport. Imagine a world where golfers of all skill levels have access to the same level of coaching and analysis previously reserved for the pros. This is the future that AI is building. The technology doesn't stop there. The Golf AI Launch Monitor is just the tip of the iceberg. Virtual reality simulators, smart clubs, and wearable sensors are all poised to further revolutionize the game. The future of golf is here. And it's powered by AI, so step up to the tee, take a swing, and embrace the revolution. Your game will thank you for it. Please like, share, and subscribe if you found value in this video. Check the description for an article with comprehensive details.